Who would have thought that the thing we have, or whatever we have, could turn into forever? The mere look in your eyes, the first time it met mine, I never knew it was already a sign. Tumingin sa akin.
When we finally washed away, make me whole again. Bend me in the mirror.
Bigat to.
Capture
Magkalamin.
every light inside the frame.
Trip-chip yan, oh.
I'm in you, I'm in focus, I'm in awe, falling in thought, light in the eye of the cosmic. I am awakening conscience. I'm awakening conscience. Past the wrong surface. Opening.
Salamat, B, dahil sa harap ng mapanghusgang mundo, pinatunayan mong kamahal-mahal din ako. Love you. Ba't huwag ka umiyak?
Umiyak.
Light in the eye of the cosmic. I am awakening conscience.
I can promise that I'll be always, that it will be always sunshine and rainbow. But I'll make sure to be with you during rain and storm. With you, I've learned that love is not just a feeling. It's a choice, a commitment. Today, I choose to love you, not just for who you are today, but also for all that you will become. B, mahal na mahal kita. Hindi ako magsasawang sabihin sa'yo, bawat araw ikaw.
Simple prayer. Include God always. Kasi kasama nyo ngayon ang Diyos. Sumasama at nakikiisa. Kaya nga kayong ngayon, hindi na kayong dalawa na lamang. Kaisa nyo ang Diyos. Kasama nyo ang Diyos. At kasalo ninyo ang Diyos.
Salamat, B. Naalala mo yung nabanggit ko sa'yo last time na sinabi ng father ko. Salamat kasi bago siya magstay with God, pinatunayan mo at alam kong masaya siya ngayon na isa sa mga prinsesa niya may magmamahal at mag-aalaga na at handang sumpa sa harap ng Panginoon.
Diyos na inyong pinagkakatiwalaan ay tapat. Sapagkat ang isang tunay na nagmamahal ang kaya lamang tumanggap ng kapintasan ng isa't isa. Ang tunay na nagmamahal ang siya lamang makakatunawa sa kakulangan ng kanyang minamahal.